Hi. I'm from Next Paradigm back with another great tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to make 3D boom animation in After Effects. So we are here in After Effects. Let's start by creating a new composition for this animation, which is going to be of a standard size 1920 by 1080 pixels and 30 frames per second. And take the composition to 10 seconds long. Press the OK. Before writing any text, add the background of your choice. Right-click and create a new solid layer. Then, we have to write in the text that we want to animate. Take the Type tool. And type the text, whatever text you want. I'm going to type in next. Align the text and anchor point to the center of the composition. Layer. Toggle the text properties down. Go to Add and add Enable per character 3D. Go to Animate and also add a rotation. Also, add the property of a scale. Because we have added 3D property, that is why we have X, Y, and Z rotation. Let's set the scale to something like 60%. Also, set the X rotation to -90 and Y rotation to +45. Also take the opacity down to 0. Now if I go into my range selector to animate it. Move the time pin to about 2 seconds. Set the offset to 100 and add the keyframe at that point. Go back to 0 and add a keyframe of -100. Go into the advanced properties and change the shape to ramp up and set the ease high and ease low all the way up to 100%. Let's add one more animator property of scale to animator 2. Set the scale to around 120 to get the really interesting look to this. Go to about 1 second and 10 frames. Set the offset to about -100. Create a keyframe, then go to 3 seconds and set this to 100. Alright, go into the advanced properties and set this to ramp up and increase the ease high and ease low to 100. Also, turn the randomize order on. Got to transform. Create keyframes on opacity like that it is fully visible at 1 second. Now if I preview this, you can see this is beautiful good looking animation called 3D boom animation. That's all for this lesson. Subscribe to our channel and also watch other great tutorials. Thanks for watching.